welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Ninathesimplekenyangal. If you love traveling, healthy tips and product reviews, fun games, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, so today we are gonna play a game. Never have I ever. I talked about it last Tuesday. So we have a special guest, my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we're gonna play Never Have I Ever. So if you have, you eat a very spicy chicken and then you explain the situation. So if you have never, you just sip a crusher and that's it for you. And you can tell us the story behind why you've never tried something. You in?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. So first question. Never have I ever accidentally sent someone to the hospital. Fight. A bad fight gone wrong.
I've never been so that violent, so I've never.
Okay. Let me eat a spicy chicken and send someone to the hospital. I don't like chicken, but I have to do this. So, I think in grade 3. Yeah, we had a pretty bad fight, which we were even choking each other. So from there, I ended up beating that guy. And he was Otieno, I think. He was called Otieno James, or yeah, I think. Yeah, and that's how it ended. I don't know if my parents know about this actually. Yeah. Okay. Never have I ever dyed my hair a crazy color.
I've never tried it, and it feels so awkward, but I must try it once.
I've never tried it either, but I wanted to. And then I pulled back. Yeah, because it's natural, so I don't want to go back there. But I've ever relaxed it, and it ended up very bad. The breakage was out of this world. So never have I ever fallen into a hole deeper than the taller I was.
No. Never.
Never. Never have I had to run to save my life.
I've ever.
Oh my goodness. Story behind it.
I never did the work of my teacher, and so when she tried to beat me very hard, I ran away.
Okay. I've never. No, I don't think I've ever run for my life. No, I can't remember. Maybe I have, but I don't remember. So I won't take a bite. Never have I ever made money by performing on the street.
Never.
Me too. But I had a thought. Yeah. Okay. Never have I ever been on TV or the radio.
I've never.
It's good actually. So back when I was in college, I had to advertise for my college. So I did an advert which was in our vernacular language, Kikuyu. and it was airing I think for 3 months or 2, yeah, in an advert. If you haven't seen it, I think I'll find it and yeah, maybe put it on my social media one day as a story, because it was very long ago. I was chubby. Okay. Never have I ever been awake for 2 days straight.
Have ever.
Story?
Just, teenage. Scrolling.
Online? Social media? These people? Yeah, I have to. I'm not a teenager, but excuse my manners. Back then, I was working and it was very mentally draining. So most of the time I was like asleep, like my body is asleep, but my brain or my brain is still on, like thinking. So I don't think if that's actual sleep. So I think I've never slept, and it was actually for a week, not even 3 days. Yeah, pretty bad. Question: never have I ever shoplifted.
I've never. You have?
I was a terrible kid when I was young, when I was so small. I used to shoplift some mangoes from shops. If you're seeing this, Mama Kiosk, Mama Shopper, please forgive me. I didn't mean to. I was just hungry.
She must return that mango.
I will. Never have I ever fainted faking it.
I have. Eat. During cross countries, I never wanted to go to cross countries, so I did that mess.
Sweat. Okay. Never have I ever hiked. No. Yeah, hiked.
No.
Me too. Too lazy to imagine all that sweat. Never have I ever been arrested.
I've never.
I was a very bad kid, but I was too good to be arrested.
So you were close.
Yeah. Never have I ever gone surfing.
I've never.
I tried. So I don't know if that's ever. Is it?
Tried.
Yeah.
Is that a bite?
Yeah.
No. Go deeper.
Okay.
Huh?
Never have I gotten stitches.
I've never.
It's getting on my throat now. You see this done? So, I was in grade 7. I had this horrible fall, and my scalp just opened. It was very painful, but I couldn't feel the pain until the nurse was stitching it. I got, I think, 5 or 6 stitches. Yeah, it was bad.
I can feel it now.
But I'm better now. Yeah, it looks like a stylish thing going on there. Okay. Never have I ever gone vegan. Vegan is when you feel like your weight isn't like right, so you try to just eat veggies alone, no proteins, no milk, no chicken, no chicken, no meat. You just eat vegetables. Have you ever?
Okay.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? And you're not that big.
It was this day that I was just eating horribly. I was stealing money, buying junk food. I eat. It got to a point I felt that I was so heavy. I stopped that habit.
Then you started eating vegan. For how long?
2 months.
Ooh. I didn't know that actually. So I'll take a bite. When I went to high school, after my form, I think 1 ended, and then in boarding school we eat a lot of stuff. You eat everything. You feel like mixing Blue Band and chocolate and sugar. And then you just do it and you eat. So I was doing that a lot. So I gained a lot of weight and I was too chubby. Very extremely chubby. So at a point I couldn't wear heavy shoes. I was that bad. So when I finished high school, I just gave myself time, eat, and then I'll detox later. So when I finished high school, that's when I started eating vegan. Yeah, and my body stayed before it came back. Yeah, but now here we are, better, healthier. Yeah, so that's my story. Next question. Never have ever been caught cheating on a test. Being caught cheating on a test.
I've never.
Me too smart. Never have ever been caught sneaking into a movie.
No.
So I'll just take a small bite because it's a very long story. There's this point where the Bold and the Beautiful was like the thing here. So our parents used to tell us, you guys go to sleep, it's time to go sleep. And then we watch our movie. So that's when I used to sneak and watch. Yeah, so I know how it goes.
So you are so smart. You're so smart.
Yeah. Okay. Never have I ever jumped from the rooftop.
I have. Let's start my story. I was in my friend's place and my mother had a visitor. Now, I don't know. When she came back, she told me why was I sitting outside? I said, you have locked our door. Now, she told me, climb from the rooftop and open the gate from there. No,
And you did?
Yeah, I did. And reaching the door, I found that we had not locked the place.
Oh goodness.
Just the lock was just locked, but not just locked like that.
Yeah. I get. So, oh good Lord. Let's take that happen. So this guy was too small then when it happened. So you see, Oh my God, parents, please come slow on us. So that I was very young, so I took the keys and just threw them in after I locked the gate. So she was sleeping. She was too small. She was, I think, just walking, learning how to walk. So I threw the keys in. I went playing because I knew if I go with the kids playing, they'll get lost. So I left the keys inside. So yeah, I'm safe. The kid is safe sleeping and I'm safe playing. So I noticed there's just a feeling that tells you your parent is almost around. So I went I climbed on top of the roof. Not only the roof, even I climbed the wall. I was a very boyish girl. So I climbed the wall, I climbed over the top of the gate, and then I jumped over the roof and then picked the keys open and then I went shower. By the time I knew, my parents even didn't come. I felt so stupid. But it happened. Never have I ever had a bad allergy reaction. Do you have an allergy?
No.
So I have this allergy of dust or just a not even temperature. If I'm out and then I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I sneeze a lot. So yeah, it was raining. You know, when it rains like in Australia, it was like it's not that cold. It's just a nice feeling. You can even walk while it's raining on you. But here, so I tried it when I came back here. My friend, I was sneezing. Even I was just trying to keep away from my son because I didn't want him to get affected. But actually, I came to realize it was just a reaction from my allergy. So it was not a cold actually coming in. It was just a reaction. Okay. Next question. Never have I ever been on a fashion show.
Never.
Why? I'll have a fry. I have multiple times. God help. In high school, oh my God, I was in the journalist club. And I was this person who was always pushing, let's do this, let's do fashion show. We need to showcase our talent. And I performed in modeling, yeah. So I never won actually. I've never won any fashion show I've tried. So because I was too chubby, I was very chubby. I'll throw it at a TVT someday. So I tried. So when I went to college here, so I tried it again. I just got a certificate. But I tried, my friend. I tried. So yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you had fun. You know us better now. Yeah, and I will see you. She will just go back home. So that is it for today. I hope you guys had fun. I will see you next time on Healthy Tuesday. So yeah. Oh, she's called Ivy. Sorry, my manners. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she's called Ivy. We chose her name with my mom. Let me stop bragging. So yeah. So do you want to tell guys something?
Yeah, I just want to tell everyone to subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel and congrats.
Thanks. Okay, so you had that. Hit that subscribe button. Blah, 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 blah. Too much spiciness. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get videos coming right your way. And I will see you next time on Healthy Tuesday.